In this trip, we're embarking on a voyage around the San Francisco Bay from the open water. While most tourists drive over the Golden Gate Bridge, today we're going underneath it and beyond through a private charter sailboat. So we are taking a charter boat out of the marina today, and we're on the other side of the Golden Gate Bridge. This used to be a military outpost, so this is kind of like the wild, wild west of the Golden Gate area.
It's called an Islander 36. Yeah. They're made for the bay.
Nice.
And this one has been refurbished. I like to say if it were a car, it'd be a Ford Mustang.
Yeah.
67 Ford Mustang. Tore it to the bone. She's classic.
It's a beautiful
classic. We are heading on a boat trip, sailing boat trip through the
Golden Gate. Oh my gosh, we're going on the San Francisco Bay on this boat. We're going with Creative, Concierge SF. Check them out. They have different curated options. You guys have to join this. This is so much fun. Let's go.
Cool.
Sail is going on.
Hi, Captain.
Hello. You can learn how to sail. You can stay overnight. Trips to Angel Island, Sausalito, sunset cruises. How is it?
It's amazing.
Woo! To the bridge, baby! Yeah! This boat ride is unlike any other adventure as we sail the open seas at our own leisure. Along the way, we even get to try our hand at sailing through the trusted experience of our captain, Captian Zorah. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Good feet ahead, baby. Oh, yeah.
So it drives kind of like a car, but it's led. And when you turn, normally you would head dead into the wind, and I would know that from the top of the mast. You see where that is? Yeah.
Got a weather vane up there telling us where the wind comes. We're here in November. Waters are nice and calm. It's beautiful out here.
Just a normal day.
Woo! This is insane. Woo! We got some waves. So we have killed the motors. We are going off of sail power right now. We are just cruising. It is so calm on these waters, and we're underneath the Golden Gate. So when I look up, that's the Golden Gate. You can see the undercarriage of the bridge, something you don't see every day. Bet you didn't know there was a house underneath the Golden Gate Bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge opened in 1937 and is said to be the most photographed bridge in the world. If you like these views as much as we do, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe down below. We're on a boat. We're cruising. And we're right underneath the Golden Gate Bridge.
How cool is that?
Are you kidding me? This is so cool. Woo, we got our sails out.
Sails out, ready to go. Woo! Beautiful day.
Yeah!
SF Creative Concierge.
You can see the Salesforce Tower there. And right there is where we're staying, the Presidio. Seagulls, Alcatraz. And this boat is a historic vintage boat. They have a number of them here, and our captain renovated it from the ground up. So another thing, guys, if you're looking for activities to do during this time of COVID, this is a private charter boat. So you can bring your family, come here solo, and just enjoy these views.
Can't get much better than this, than getting on the water in San Francisco Bay. And what better way to do that than in a private charter with an awesome captain, Captian Zorah, who keeps you entertained, make sure that you're having fun, and you can create your own adventure.
We went under the bridge, and now we're just kind of cruising and getting some good vantage points in the city, and it's so cinematic, so calm here.
You can even be captain for a day.
You learn how to sail. During our voyage, we spot many of the iconic landmarks of San Francisco and even caught some wildlife sightings, including sea lions and birds. And if you like these views as much as we do, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe down below. We have reached the Aquatic Park Cove, and you can see the city in the background. Ghirardelli Square. I didn't even know that this existed, and then in the background it looks like a postcard. You can see people swimming right here. The aquatic park, and then the postcard in the background. That barking noise from the sea lions indicates that we have landed here at Pier 39. Look at these guys. There's nothing like seeing the bay from the water. It's so cinematic. After catching a few more photo ops, it's time to head back to the harbor. Yeah! Bye, thank you!
See you guys later.
We hope that you enjoyed this San Francisco adventure. If you'd like to book your own private voyage around the San Francisco Bay, check out the link in the description below for Creative Concierge SF. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video where we show you the Presidio, one of the most underrated parts of the San Francisco Bay Area.